Hey guys, I just want to share experience with you here. So have you ever your credit card or any card just sliding behind this compartment sliding door, and you were not able to take it out, and it just way all the way down behind this compartment? So you don't need to actually, just if you want to remove this part here is so hard because you need to remove the top here, then this two slide here, and then the middle one then end up here, which does not, I didn't open it. I don't know what will happen, but the easiest part here is down here. So what you're gonna do here is there is a part here. Actually there is a screw, back of that. You see that over there? So you need a tool like that to just open it up. And after you open it up, down here, so I had to remove the just trailer brake as well. So what you need to do is you need one like torch. So I have this one to light up down there because it's so dark. So you need to lay down here. Actually up here, if you see, you need some sort of light, and you need to just hang the light somewhere here. And actually you can locate the card behind the compartment here. All of them just end up here. So after that you need one extra tool, which I made it by myself. So at the top of this stick I put some strong glue. So you need to just actually, it's hard to hold the camera and do this part, but light. So, and you have that stick that you can use it to just take the card. And because if it's close to your hand you can take it, but if not, you need something to just pull it out. And as soon as you pull it out until here, it will drop over here and you can take it out with your hand. So let me show this stick. My glue is so strong. Make sure you have a strong glue. So this is a stick. Actually it's flexible, and top of that I put this somehow a stupid glue, but it worked. I were able to just pull out the card. I hope that one is helpful. Yeah, that's the pain in the ass when your card goes back there, and this is the way that you can take it out.